march with mass in Paransulu. I march with mass in Silangkan. I march with mass in Cotabato. So huwag kayong magduda sa loyalty ko sa Christian. Andito ako dahil gusto ko magkaroon kayong full independence. Kami mga Kristiyano, magkaluloy. Loy mi kayo. Kamu Bangsamoro. Kami mga Kristiyano, wala may identity. Karong adlaw, I want you to know nga kami mga Christians of Mindanao, mga Mindanesians, ang mga Mindanesians mo endorse sa full independence sa Bangsamoro. So dili na lang ako kayo tason, pero magbantay kamo sa dilipan ako tapuson ikong pagigpulong. Kaya kita sa Mindanao, gipaway-away ta sa atong mga kadagkuhan sa Manila. When the government entered into negotiation with the Mayolet, that was an attempt to divide and rule, to make the Bangsamoro fight each other and weaken the force of the Bangsamoro, and that you should never accept. Pagkatapos tayo magpatayan, mga kapakaigsunan, they will use the Christians. They will use the Christians against you, and that I will never allow for as long as I live. So mga kaigsunan, again, let me remind you, itagaan lamang og 3 minutes. Very, very precious 5 minutes. O gigaman nilang 5. I want you to know that freedom is not negotiable. Freedom is not negotiable. But if Chairman Meswari wants autonomy, I will support that all the way. If Chairman Meswari wants independence, I will support that all the way. Freedom is not negotiable. We must always remember the dreams of hundreds of thousands of Bangsamoro people who died that you and I may be free. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung dugo, luhat at pawis sa mga Bangsamoro fighters sa Luzon, sa Basilan, sa ibang lugar sa Mindanao. In this world, it is not enough that you are right. Maski tama kayo, mali ka pa rin kayo kung wala kayong kapangyarihan. Ang importante sa mundo ito, tama kayo at may kapangyarihan kayo. I will organize the Christian forces, probably 3 to 5 billion people, and that force will help protect and endorse the Bangsamoro people and assure them to the road of full independence. Niya mga kamiragikan sa Manila, ila kong gidaot kanunay silang, ila kong gi-accuse nga nag-spike sa Manila, spike against oppression, spike against corruption, spike against poverty, spike for Mindanaoan freedom. So din hinalang mga kaigsunan. Let me close by saying, the very dust under your feet responds more lovingly to your footsteps, because they are the ashes of our ancestors. The very dust under your footsteps have been sanctified by the blood, sweat, and tears of hundreds of thousands of Bangsamoro fighters. Do not let the dream die. It has gone on to victory. Payat justicia, ruat coelum. Let justice be done. Give the Bangsamoro independence, even if the heavens fall.
Maraming salamat, Atty. Pamatong. Yun po ang boses ng mga Kristiyano. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, ano ba itong parang ocean floor na ito? Anong ulo ito? Akala nila wala na raw MNLF. Ala, nagkamali kayo.
Ang kapatid si Dr. Roldan Cibrian, Cibrian Publications and Trading President. Siya ay galing sa Agusan. And he is a recognized leader ng isa sa pinakamalaking tribo doon sa Northern Mindanao. And after reading some publications, some books, and listening to some briefings about Islam, the history of Islam,